If your AC is blowing a bad smell like mold, mildew, or burning, don't ignore it. First, turn off the AC at the thermostat. A dirty air filter traps dust, mold, and bacteria, causing a musty smell, so replace it if it's dirty. Mold can grow on the evaporator coil, so clean it carefully with AC coil cleaner or a soft brush. A clogged condensate drain line can cause standing water and mold, so flush it with a wet-dry vacuum or vinegar and warm water. If the smell is burning or metallic, it could be an electrical problem. Turn off the AC and call a licensed technician immediately. A bad smell is usually caused by dirty filters, moldy coils, or clogged drains. Clean these first and call a pro if you smell burning.